And what we're doing right now is we're air sealing and insulating the wall cavities. So let me show you exactly how we do this. So we're going to insulate with foam up high in the cracks where the old wall drywall met the ceiling drywall. And then we're going to do any of our penetrations, plumbing penetration, electrical penetration. We have an HVAC penetration, but that's in the floor. We're around this pipe, but we also do each cavity, each bay, so we separate it. We'll look at this bay here, for an example. The 16 on center, we'll go all the way down, and we'll separate it from the one on the left, and separate it from the one on the right. And then we'll air seal around any penetration coming in from each cavity. Even this abandoned old galvanized pipe down there, see how we shot some foam inside of the hole? Okay, once we got that separated, if there's a possibility to separate, let's say right here, this bay, this part of the bay, from this part of the bay, then that way, if air does leak in from anywhere, we're stopping it as much as possible from traveling up and down inside of each cavity. Okay, and then as you can see over here, I've got some insulation in the wall already. We cut it to fit. It's in nice and snug, touching the top, touching the bottom, touching the sides. Okay, and then as we cut it, we'll get along each little cavity and make sure it all fits in there properly. I just wanted to show you the air sealing techniques. So you can see our insulation install. Really nice and neat, covering all plumbing and electrical work properly. And the reason why you don't see drywall on this wall here is this is about 33 inches. This is our plumbing wall. This is going to get a waterproof system done by Schluter. And we're going to be hanging Curdy board, which is a 1/2 inch closed cell foam with a waterproof coating on it. We're going to be waterproofing all the way around the 33 inches over here, and then we're going to match it over here with the same 33 inches. What we're going to do is we're going to run our tile all the way up to the yellow ceiling, and that should get painted after we're all done. And then we'll come over here on this side. We've got our medicine cabinets. We got 2 of them there, both at the same height, and one's a little bit smaller. This is the original one to the house. It's about 100 years old. The homeowner wanted to keep it and install it. It's solid metal, like really thick, like 3/16 steel. Not like the cheap plastic ones you see nowadays on most medicine cabinets. So we've got all of our cutouts done. We've got all of our drywall hung. And then what we're going to do after this, we'll after the tile is all in, we'll come in and we'll tape mud and texture everything, get it all ready. And I can't wait to see the final product. Stay tuned and we'll show you that.